The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Henderson, Illinois, Henry, Illinois, Knox, Illinois, Mercer, Illinois, Rock Island, Illinois, Stark, Illinois, and Warren, Illinois beginning at 12:06 a.m. and ending at 6:06 a.m. The Warren County Sheriff's Office is searching for an escaped inmate from Smith's Grove Sanitarium. Suspect Michael Myers was last seen in Haddonfield around 11:45 p.m. on Wednesday, October 31st. He is 6 feet 1 inches tall, 210 pounds, wearing a blue jumpsuit, black boots, and a white mask. He is believed to be armed and dangerous. His current whereabouts are unknown. All residents should lock their doors immediately. Do not pick up hitchhikers. If you have any information, please call the Warren County Sheriff's Office at 309-734-8383 or call 911.
Running around, I'm running away.